up, YouTube family? It's your boy, it's your nigga, it's your friends, you know what I'm saying? Back again with another reaction video, with another banger. Let's just say it's a banger, yeah. Cause I always deliver bangers. So yeah, my friend. So after a while, I'm back, yeah. I've been quite busy lately. Life is something else. But yeah, I'm back now. I haven't been posting for like a week, you know what I'm saying? I missed you guys like crazy, you know what I'm saying? I missed the Embo gang, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Today we're gonna be doing a reaction to SOS, Bit Xhosa, you know what I'm saying? I had this shit was a dope banger, you know what I'm saying? So you know what we are about in this channel, you know what I'm saying? We like to check bangers. We love bangers, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. I should change the name of this channel to the Banger Channel. No, the Banger Channel, you know what I'm saying? yeah. I should change that. Yeah. By the way, if you're new to my channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, leave a like, leave a comment for your bridge, you know what I'm saying? Cause yeah, it's lit. Let's get into this video. Oh, by the way, we're on the road to 100 subscribers, guys, so make sure if you are not subscribed, smash that subscribe button. Yeah, without any further ado, let's get into this video. Let's go for some buzz. I had this nigga went crazy, but let's go. Oh fucking hell. Hey Riz is Alpha baby girl. Who's the other niggas he just said that nigga's got a big belly. He like Mitzi like the nigga's pregnant with frogs. Is that what he said? I think that's what he said, you know what I'm saying? And this nigga wants beef, you know what I'm saying? He wants that recognition. He wants that recognition. But yeah. I feel like he deserves it though. And let's go. I'm really enjoying this one. And I must also point this out. I really like the fact that he went with this beat, you know what I'm saying? The Tupac beat. The Tupac beat. It's pretty gangster, you know what I'm saying? And he's also dressing like the nigga. He's got, you know what I'm saying, a bald head. You know what I'm saying? His whole vibe is like, you know what I'm saying, a Tupac. So yeah, let's go. I'm really much enjoying this one. Let's go. This nigga's going crazy. These niggas better reply to this one, you know what I'm saying? They better reply. He's dissing everybody. He's dissing all our MCs, you know what I'm saying? He's dissing Big Zulu. He's dissing Riz. He's dissing Shay Nigga, Questa, everybody. But my nigga, you know, from my point of view, I'd say, you know what I'm saying, he's right in most cases, cause you know what I'm saying, I'm trying to see it from his point of view, you know what I'm saying. So I must say that's right here as a banger, you know what I'm saying. I'm really much enjoying it. But nigga, the attention you're bringing to yourself is gonna murder you. They're gonna kill you. You better have something up your sleeves, cause the rappers you just dissed are OGs, like Mzansi, like MT, the hustler. How do you disrespect the hustler? What has he ever done to you? You know what I'm saying? This nigga. But hey, same goes for, you know what I'm saying? But never mind, let's go. Yeah. Hey.
hands when you see because. Clap your hands when you see because.
Yeah.
Hide your girl when you see because.
Yeah.
Hide your girl when you see because. Hit 'em up. Yeah, and then for men the boys. Boys are poisonous.
Yeah, I got you.
They call me 10 pack, cause
Yeah.
I'm 5 times better than a 2 pack.
Woo!
Yeah, I am dope.
Now that was a bar. That is all what we're about on this channel, you know what I'm saying? That right there was a bar. They call me 5 pack because I'm better. I'm 3 times better than 2 pack. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Be closer, bro. You just gained yourself a fan. You know what I'm saying? My nigga, you just gained yourself a fan. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna follow you from now on. I'm following you, bro. But I'm telling you, the beef that you're bringing to yourself, bro, it's too much, man. It's too much. I don't think you're gonna be able to handle it. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you're gonna get like publicity and all that stuff, but and I give you recognition, bro. You deserve recognition for what you've done. You know what I'm saying? You diss every rapper, bro. This nigga is out for blood. You know what I'm saying? He's out for blood. Let's go. Hey, soon as.
Hide your girl when you see because.
Yeah.
Hide your girl when
Hey.
you see because.
Yeah.
Clap your hands when you see because.
Woo.
Clap your hands when you see because.
Yeah.
Let me see impundu. Ooh. Because
Hey.
the SOS.
Grip walk, my nigga. Grip walk. Hey.
Running 2021 right now. I'm on fire.
Yeah. This shit hard, my friend. This shit hard. Yeah. We've come to the end of this hard reaction, you know what I'm saying? This shit hard as hell, you know what I'm saying? This nigga, I'm used to seeing this nigga on TikTok, but I didn't think he would pull this time, you know what I'm saying? I didn't think he would have such guts, you know what I'm saying, to pull something like this off, you know what I'm saying? For sure, the rappers he did, the like, okay, he's an underground dog, you know what I'm saying, trying to get out there, but he is out there. Did you see the views on this track? Did you see the views on YouTube for this track? You know what I'm saying? So it's better to say the niggas are going in war. Y'all better brace yourself, cause big Xhosa is coming for your ass. You know what I'm saying? But I can't wait to see which rapper's gonna, you know what I'm saying, respond to this shit first. You know what I'm saying? But if it's MT is gonna murder this fool. You know what I'm saying? No jokes, no nothing. But MT is gonna kill this clown. You know what I'm saying? I don't think what MT does there's beef stuff. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But if he ever did it, he'd kill this clown. You know what I'm saying? Sorry for calling you clown, bro. But you know what I'm saying? I'm a real fan of music. You're also hard, bro. But you know what I'm saying? You're just the goats of South Africa, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, with that being said, you know what I'm saying? If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, leave a like, leave a comment for your boy. Catch you on the next video. It's been fun hanging with you guys after a while, you know what I'm saying? Peace.